Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we got Birchbox. Yes, super excited for this box because I have been watching other people's unboxing of this. I have watched quite a few of these unboxings on this one, and is this going to open for me? Yes it is. Of course it is. This time. And we've got a nice design box. This one is the flamingo box. That's what I wanted. I wanted this box. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's got like gorgeous pink flamingos on it. Really is a nice box. Birchbox is £12.95 a month. And you can take it out over a year. That is exactly what I did because it's a lot cheaper over a year. I think I paid about £90 for it. I'm not sure, but it is cheaper to take it out over a year. And they always send you discounts as well. So I took it out on a discount and I got it really cheaper. So that's why I took it over a year, because it's just a staple really. Right, so here we go, and this is Birchbox, and it's oh dear. So yeah, so that's who it is. And so this is the January box, and I've just noticed what it says on this other side here. It says stand tall and be fabulous. Well, that's what you want to be, isn't it? You want to be fabulous. There's no other way. You just got to be fab. So there we go. So there. Oh, I see a repeat. Maybe it's a repeat offender. Yes, I think it is, because I think I've already got this. So I'm just going to actually just check in my drawers. I've actually just found it. Is it the same? No, it's actually not the same. It's not the same at all. So you get away with that, Birchbox. It's not a repeat offender. The one that I have is a Lumineer Dehyver Supercorn Prep Protect Spray. And the one that I've got sent is a Sugar Texturizing Spray. So it isn't the same. Right, so we're going to give this a go. So just take it off and give it a little bit of a shake. Oh, it has a nice smell. I do like that scent. So yeah, so let it settle, and then we're just going to scrunch up the hair and see what it does. Like, make it messy, give it some texture, and then, oh, that is quite texturizing. I do like that actually. That is quite good. So yeah, so I like that. It smells gorgeous. I love the scent of it as well. So yeah, so thumbs up already, Birchbox, for that. Then we got a Thermalive night cream. So I'm interested in that because I like night creams. And anything that stops those wrinkles, because you don't want to get old. Nobody wants to be old. Right, so this is the night cream, and I'm just going to put a bit on. It has no scent. You'll see, it's just no scent at all. It's just moisturizing. So I will give that a try. If it's bad, very bad box, and I already have some in there from this month that was bad. So if it's good, it goes in the January good box. So yeah, so watch out for that video. And so that is that. Right, okay, so we got the Lordberry. What are you? Lordberry blush. Right, I didn't Birchbox sent out anything, asking an email, nothing. Sorry, I'm gonna have to cough. They sent out an email saying, would you like the blush one, or you could have the peach coloured one? Well, I just picked the blush. Well, I didn't pick it. No, I just actually just let them decide. So yeah, so we're gonna just put a bit on there, and then I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, that is really, really nice. I like that colour. They got it just right. I do like that. It's a really nice colour. So that's good. And then our 1, 2, 3, fourth product. Is it the fourth? Yeah, it is. We got, what is it? It is a Marcel waterproof eyeliner. So this is it. It's not quite as dark as I like it, but that is waterproof. So I will give it a go. Then we got, oh, these cloths are amazing. These cloths are fantastic. I have one of these and I use it quite a lot. It's quite really a good cloth. So I'm just going to open this up just to show you what it is. I'm just trying to find the opening place. Right, I wish I brought my scissors with me, but never mind. This just tears, so you can open it like so. And it's not going to open for me properly. So it does come with a bit of information. It does say important machine wash your magic cloth before you first use it for it to work properly, so it has to be washed. But it comes in a right handy cloth like that. It's just a perfect size, and you can just actually just take off all your makeup with just water, so you're not getting any harsh chemicals on your face at all. So it's absolutely fantastic. It's really, really soft. It's really nice. So yeah, that's a good product because you don't want harsh chemicals on your face. So yeah. Then we got some like nice little stickers. You could actually design your box. You could actually just put them around your box. And it's like I do like this one, like be fabulous. Just pop it on your box. Because I'm going to actually just use this box. So you see the stickers are really pretty. I do like the flamingo stickers. So yes, I'm just going to actually finish off decorating this box when this video is gone. When this video is finished. And we have also 50% off your first paper gang box. So yeah, so if you want to, you can get 50% off. And it does say 20% off alldear.com. Use code Birchbox. See our interview with Chloe Hall, the artist behind this month's box, at papergang.blog/home/Birchbox. So you can actually get some money off that if you're into doing paper crafts. That would be quite useful for you. So it says this box is a January 2018 Stand Tall Birchbox Oh Dear. This January we teamed up with Oh Dear, the quirky British stationery brand that champions creativity to celebrate all that sets you apart from the crowd. Get ready to kickstart 2018 by embracing what makes you well. Yeah, you need to do that. So that is quite good. So we're gonna actually move on a bit further, because if I read all of this, I'd be like, the video will be super long. But we've included a full-size Lord & Blush crayon, they're saying. And so we're going to go through these. Now then, this is the price of my box. I paid $12.95 for it, and I've already got price back with this. This is £15, and it's full size. The micellar is £10.99, and again I think that that could be full size. Yes it is, that's a full size item, so it's £26 there. These, I don't think that this is full size, no I don't think this is at all. This is £20 and I don't think that's full size. So yep, so good item again. And then we got the night cream, and I don't think that this is full size neither. This is £15.75, but it's not full size. That's just a good sample. I do like that sample size, it really is good. Then we got this cloth, which is £5.50 from After Spa, and that can be used thousands of times. It says, forget the various lotions and potions that usually are set in the removal of makeup. With this ultra soft cloth, there's only one thing that you need, and that is water. So yeah, so you can't get any better than that. That's a really good item. And it says, like what you've tried, enjoy 10% off the full-size product sampled in this month's box as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, once you've received 6 boxes in a row, you'll receive a 15% VIP discount. So if you've received six boxes, you can actually go for the night cream and you will get 15% off, or you can actually go for the Massage eyeliner and you will get 15% off, which is quite good. Right, now I'm going to announce the February sneak peek. If you don't want to know, end the video now. But this is the February sneak peek, and it's full size Kiom silicone buff makeup applicator in every February Birchbox. So, well, I will be getting that anyway because I have it for a year. So there we go. So that is that, and it's supposed to make light work of blending with ease, precision, but I'm not usually very keen on the silicone blending applicators because they just don't usually work, but we'll give that one a try, and you never know. Right, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video.